Hey, I'm Russell from the Rosen team at Sirhan, and welcome to my newest listing, apartment 28A at 240 East 47th Street. An oversized and bright one-bedroom apartment with Chrysler Building views from every room. Come check it out. The layout is of generous proportions and designed to relax, entertain, and work from home. And beyond the comfort of this home, you'll experience a full-service lifestyle at Douglas Elliman Tower, fully equipped with a 24-hour concierge, a fitness center, and an indoor pool sky high overlooking the city. A private balcony, landmark views, and full-service condo living. This is apartment 28A at 240 East 47th Street. Again, I'm Russell from Sirhan. Please reach out to me directly for a tour.